How to delete blocked contact on WhatsApp. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. So in order to delete your blocked contact on WhatsApp, first thing first, check your internet connection, log into your WhatsApp account. So while you're on this page, go ahead and tap the three dot icon from the top and go to settings. Once you're on this page, scroll down a bit, go to privacy, and from here as well scroll down a bit and go to blocked contact. After you click on block contact, the only way to delete the block contact is by unblocking them. Apart from it, there's no such alternative. If you delete them from your contact list as well, it's going to be remain right on this page. So if you want to remove the block contact, all you have to do is just long press on it and click the unblock button. After you've done that, it's going to be deleted automatically, and along with that, they'll also be able to see your update or send messages and all sort of things. So basically they'll be unblocked, and soon they can start messaging you and all sort of things. So in this way you can delete block contact on WhatsApp. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.